All right, guys, let's use the checklist to check this sentence for the correct capitals, punctuation, and spacing, and to make sure it makes sense. It says, they are doing the dishes together. One boy is very sad. We're going to check for capital letters first. Capital letters come at the beginning of the sentence. The very beginning, I see the word they, and it does not have a capital, so I'm going to make it a capital T. They are doing, doing has a capital, but that's not the beginning of the sentence. So I'm going to make it lowercase. They are doing the dishes together. End of sentence. New sentence. Good. There's a capital O for one, but boy is in the middle of the sentence. It needs to be lowercase. One boy is very sad. This S is capital and should not be, so I'm going to make it lowercase. I can check off capital letters. I have capital letters only at the beginning of the sentence now. Now I'm looking for punctuation. Punctuation comes at the end of the sentence, so we wait until there's complete thought. They are doing the dishes together, period. I'm going to put a period there. One boy is very sad, period. I'm going to put a period there. Check it off. Now let's check for spacing in between all of my words. They are doing the and dishes are smushed together. I'm going to put a line there for space. Together. One boy is very sad. My spacing looks good. Check it off. Now I reread to make sure it makes sense. They are doing the dishes together. One boy is very sad. Check it off. It looks great. On the next slide, you will be using your finger to score it and check it off the checklist to make sure this sentence makes sense. Believe me, I put lots of mistakes in there, so I hope you find them all.